Yep, it's that time of year. And with Black Friday just around the corner, many of us are in a bargain shopping mode. But what's the best way to score a deal on furniture and home goods? In my latest blog post, I'm sharing 35 ideas to help you save money on outfitting your home for less. And during this Black Friday season, there are typically numerous sales to be had and great prices for those savvy shoppers. Today, I'm going to share 3 of my favorite ways to save when outfitting a home, whether you have a new home to outfit or you would like to update your existing one. Now, one of my favorite strategies to save on home furnishings is to prioritize what you really need before you actually start shopping. According to the nonprofit Furniture Bank, you could spend around $8,300 to outfit a 1-bedroom apartment with just the essentials. And the costs only go up from there for a larger home or a home that is using higher end items. That's why we recommend starting with a thorough assessment of what you already have and what you actually need to start life in your new place. Now, here are some steps to help you prioritize your purchases and keep spending in check. Make a list of everything you need. Going room by room could help you brainstorm. For example, you might list items ranging from a mattress to blackout curtains for your new primary bedroom. Inventory what you already have. Cross the big dining room to the small kitchen. Knives. Go from the large items to the small items. Divide the remaining items into 3 groups. Things you need right away, such as a mattress, things you'd like to have in the near future, such as a coffee table for your living room, and pieces that you can just wait, such as a decorative area rug. Calculate your budget. Figure out how much money you'll have available for your immediate purchases after the sale has closed, and start researching the items on your priority list to understand how they'll fit into your budget. Don't rush the process. Bringing older items to your new space doesn't mean you need to keep them forever. Consider hanging on to pieces that can tide you over for a year or 2 until your bank account has recovered from the cost of purchasing a home. Before you start shopping, make sure you know which appliances and fixtures are included with your home purchase. We can inform you of your standard contract terms when you're making an offer and note any additional items that you would like to request. But prioritizing what you really need isn't the only way to save on home furnishings. Another great strategy is to time your purchases to make the most of seasonal sales. Did you know that some home items predictably go on sale at certain times of the year? If you can wait to buy these pieces when prices are lower, you could save significantly. Sales usually happen at the beginning of the season, such as patio furniture. Look to make your purchases in the very early spring. There are lots of items to choose from, plus retailers want to start selling off the stock so that they don't have overruns at the end of the season, and you can usually pick up a good sale. Sales will also happen at the very end of the season. However, options will be limited. In terms of household items in general, here are some of the best times to buy your household essentials. For carpeting, January. Indoor furniture, January and July. Linens, January. TVs and home theaters, February and November. Think Black Friday sales. Appliances, May and September. Office furniture, May. Mattresses, May. Tools, June. Flatware and dishes, June again. And outdoor furniture, May and September. For electronics, November. Again, think about Black Friday sales. Generally speaking, holiday weekends, as well as Black Friday and Cyber Monday, tend to be great times to find deals. If the item you're looking for is a seasonal one, such as patio furniture or holiday decorations, getting in on early pre-season sales or waiting again until the end of the season usually pays off. Currently, as we get ready for Christmas, many retailers have as much as 50% or more off. In fact, I was just at Michael's and they were having a 50% off on seasonal Christmas trees and holiday decor items. Time to stock up. And the third strategy to save money when you're outfitting your Caledon area home is to find alternative shopping sources. Can't wait for a sale? It's time to think outside of the box. The big box stores, that is. There are plenty of surprising places to find great furniture and houseware deals. Check out Overstock and liquidation stores. These stores purchase items other retailers haven't sold and offer them at steep discounts. The inventory can be hit or miss, but you can often get a great deal if you find what you're looking for. Try private membership or warehouse stores. These retailers often have great deals on home goods. If you're not already a member, ask a family or friend if they are willing to take you to look around before you commit. Consider open box items. When buyers return items like furniture or electronics, retailers can't always sell them as new, even if they haven't truly been used. Look online for open box deals from retailers like Wayfair and Amazon Warehouse, or visit local retailers to see what they have in stock. Give scratch and dent appliances a chance. These appliances are brand new but sold at deep discounts because their external packages were damaged. Typically, this means that flaws are purely cosmetic, but it's always possible that the merchandise has suffered more serious damage. So be sure to check out appliances carefully and ask about any included warranties. Expand your window treatment search. Window treatments can be surprisingly expensive, but it's often possible to save by buying off-the-shelf offerings in standard sizes. If you need a custom size or material, consider ordering online from a discount supplier and installing them yourself. Shop secondhand in addition to thrift stores and garage sales. Facebook Marketplace, Nextdoor, and Kijiji are all great places to find deals in your area. Get creative, asking about discounts on floor models or discontinued items. Ask about free delivery, especially if you are purchasing multiple items on the same day. Are alternative shopping sources still a stretch for your budget? Check out local free cycle or buy nothing groups, which are often hosted on Facebook. Participants offer big and small items they no longer need. Everything from furniture to clothing to hangers, all for free to other members. I'm Evelyn Lopez with the Evelyn Lopez Realty Team and iPro Realty here in the Caledon and surrounding area. And for more ways to save on home furnishings, check out our latest blog post where we share over 35 tips to help you furnish and decorate your home for less. There's a link in the caption below. And if you're shopping for a new home this holiday season, we can also help with that. We have lots of great ideas to help homebuyers save in this market, so reach out for a free consultation. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you know of someone who is looking to furnish a home, why not pass along this information? They'll thank you for it. And if you found this info helpful, please like and comment and subscribe to our channel. It'll help us get more content out to those who really need it. We're here to help.